This trade was not luck. Let me show you the exact logic behind the winning setup. So I start with the 4-hour analysis. First of all, I just figure out my daily bias of 4 hour. Like when I see on 4 hour, I just figure out that market is in order block of 4 hour. And when I refine this area according to high time frames like 2 hour, 3 hour, and 1 hour, I just figure out that my bias will end here. Then again, I go just 4 hour again. Then I again analyze the next bias of 4 hour. Like there are 4 hour bias, like they because there is a SL, there is our SL of 4 hour. That's why I mark this area. After that, when I refine this area in 4 hour, I just figure out that this is the area of SL hunting. But I just mark the order block of this area. This is my important POI for today. So now I know that market will come in this direction like long. Basically my chart is inverted, so this is a long positions like this. Okay, so I just shifted to 30 minute. What I see, I just see break of structure. This is a break of structure, and my recent swing is this area. Okay, I switch to 15 minute. I mark my order block of 30 minute. Like this is the order block of 30 minute. When market comes in this area, what I notice? Let me refine this area. This is the area I am interested. When market comes in this area, what I notice? I just mark my MMS, and again I mark the another level where I should enter. Like 15 or 5 minute, I just figure out. Like I can see that according to 15 minute market will be here. Okay, but let me refine it. As we can see, there is nothing order block like, so I can assume that this swing will be fulfilled. When market take this swing, I just enter from this candle closing, like candle break, and the target of my this trade was 30-minute break of structure. Like this, and this was the very complete, very simple strategy for taking this trade. So I hope you like my analysis. So thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming updates, and see you soon in the next video.